fireworks sales are booming ahead of 4th of July. And if you're worried about picking up some last-minute showstoppers, one local shop says, don't worry, they're fully stocked.
Supply is up for us, demand is also up.
James Stages is the CEO of Pro Fireworks. He says the influx of customers has been non-stop.
We have thousands of new customers even a week right now. Last week we averaged 3,000 new customers. It's almost unheard of.
While some smaller businesses don't have a lot of merchandise because of supply chain issues and inflation, that isn't a problem for Stages.
We reordered in April of last year, knowing of the supply chain issue. So our fireworks were coming in August, September, October, November. We were fully stocked by New Year's this year. And then they just kept coming even after that.
Even though the cost of fireworks is up by 35% across the country, according to American Pyrotechnics Association, Stages says customers won't see that when they're shopping at Pro Fireworks.
But with our supply being way up, we were able to cut our margin. We've got high supply, high demand, we were able to reduce the cost.
And customers seem to be happy about the deals.
We've just picked up a few fireworks here. We like the ones that kind of fan out, so we've picked up a couple items like that.
Pro Fireworks will be open until 1 a.m. Monday morning, and if you plan on lighting fireworks, make sure to do it responsibly. Stajo says if you are lighting sparklers, make sure to have a bucket of water nearby to drop them in to avoid any accidents. For now, I'm your neighborhood reporter, Yasmin Ludi, Fox 47 News.